Today we will consider significant figures or significant digits. What are significant figures? Significant figures are the number of digits in a value or in a measurement that tell about the degree of accuracy of that value. It means we are going to have a measurement. If that measurement is going to have more number of significant figures, then degree of accuracy will be more. If it has less significant figures, then degree of accuracy will be less. Now question is how to find out how many significant figures are there in the given measurement. To find the number of significant figures, we have certain rules. So we will consider all the rules one by one. We will do few examples. Then we will consider collectively all the rules. First rule is all the non-zero digits are significant. You know, we are using decimal system. In decimal system, we have digits from 0 to 9. 10 digits we are going to have. So according to this rule, all the non-zero digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a measurement, if these non-zero digits are present, then they are significant. Whether decimal is given or not given, these digits which are non-zero, they will always remain significant. I am not talking about this zero at this moment, whether it is significant or not, when it will be. All these questions we will discuss later on. In this case, only focus wherever you will get non-zero digit, that will become significant for you. Let us consider these examples. These are the various numbers given. This is first number 15.75. How many significant figures? You count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So significant figure number will become 4. Here also it will become 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case 1, 2. In this case 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wherever you are going to have non-zero digits, they will always become significant for you. Next is about 0. Whether 0 is significant or not. If it is, in which case. If it is not, then what is that case? For this, first rule I will consider here all the zeros which are occurring between non-zero digits are significant figures. It means if I will use word trapped, sandwiched or occurring between non-zero digits, meaning will come out to be same. It means zeros which are in between non-zero digits, between 3 and 1, 6 and 9, between any two non-zero digits, whether decimal is there or not, they will always be significant. Consider this example 401. 0 is between 1 and 4. These zeros are trapped between 4 and 6. These zeros are sandwiched between 1 and 7. This 0 is occurring between 1 and 9. These zeros are between 3 and 9. All these zeros will become significant for us. So here number of significant digits or figures will be 1, 2, 3, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Next case we will consider about 0 only. In this part, I will discuss about leading zero. Leading zero means these type of zeros. When a number is less than 1, it is a convention. Before decimal, we will write 1 0. So this 0 is always going to be insignificant. We will not consider this to be significant. And these zeros, which are known as leading zeros, which are right to the decimal point, but left to the first non-zero digit. Again, telling you what are leading zeros. Leading zeros are, this is decimal point, this is left, this is right. Leading zeros are right to the decimal, but left to the first non-zero digit. So these zeros are known as leading zeros. So if your number is going to be less than 1, then these leading zeros are of no significance for us. Means we will not consider them to be significant digits. So in this number we are going to have these zeros will become insignificant. So we are left with 1, 2, 3. Significant figure will be 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Here only 1, that is 1. It means for a number less than 1, the zeros which are on the right of decimal point but to the left of first non-zero digit are not significant. Or you can say like this, leading zeros are not significant. Which are leading zeros? These zeros are leading zeros. Next I will talk about trailing zeros. Before this I have talked about trapped zeros, then leading zeros. Now we will consider terminal zeros or trailing zeros. Trailing zeros or terminal zeros in a number without a decimal point are not significant. Trailing means which are at the end of last non-zero digit that we have. For example, these are the numbers. First I am going to consider without a decimal point. In these numbers, when no decimal is there, these zeros will become insignificant. So in this case I will have one significant figure only. In this case 2, in this case 3. This will become this. They are not significant. So all the zeros to the right of last non-zero digit. This is last non-zero digit. To the right of last non-zero digit are not significant figure in absence of decimal point. Now if decimal point is present, then what that? If decimal point is present, then zeros will become significant. For example, this is 3.500, this number. So here significant figure will be 4. If at the end of this you are going to have decimal, here these zeros will become significant. So here we have significant figures 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will become 5. Now this I have already told you, the number, this 0 digit. If your number is less than 1, then this 0 digit, which is conventionally written on the left side of decimal, it is never considered to be significant. Always we will consider this to be non-significant or insignificant number. Now let us do practice with these rules for these examples. In this example, how many significant figures do we have? In this, decimal is not there. When decimal is not there, then your these zeros will become insignificant. So how many significant figures we are going to have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is there. These are trailing zeros, and trailing zeros will become significant if decimal is there. These all are non-zero, so non-zero will be significant. 0 will become significant if decimal is there. So here number of significant figures will be 6. In this case, these are trailing zeros without a decimal, so they are not significant. So here number of significant figure will be 1. In this case, decimal is there at the end, so these zeros will become significant. So number of significant figure will be 3. Similarly here, how many will you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zeros are significant because decimal is there. In this case, this is going to have trapped zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Without a decimal, without trapping, so it will have only one non-zero number. Significant figure will be 1. In this case, decimal, so all zeros will become significant. So number of significant figure will become 8. Similarly, you can try these examples also. Next is when we are going to go from one system to another system, the number of significant figures should remain the same. Let us consider first measurement, 5.678. It is converted into meter by dividing it by 100. Then it is converted into millimeter by multiplying it by 10. So this is in centimeter, same reading in meter, same measurement in millimeter. Here number of significant digits will be 1, 2, 3, 4. These will become insignificant. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of significant figure will remain same if you are going to move from one system to another system. This is one more example. This is 123 meter in centimeter multiplied by 100. In millimeter it will be multiplied by 10. So this will be the measurement. Number of significant digits 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. Okay, let us consider this point for this case, whether this point is going to remain same or some confusion appears. Let us consider we have this reading 4.700 meter and this is converted into centimeter. So when you will convert this into centimeter, you will multiply by 100. This decimal will shift 2 places this side. So we will get 470.0 centimeter. You convert it into millimeter. Then you will multiply this by 10. So you will get 4700 millimeter. If you will convert it into kilometer, you will divide this by 1000. You will get this measurement. Now see in this how many significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, because decimal is there, so these 0 will also become significant. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also these will not be significant. These will be significant. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about this measurement? These are trailing zeros without decimal. It means they are not significant now. So number of significant figure is coming out to be 2. And it is contradicting what we have done here. So to solve these type of questions, this is definite that the number of significant figures will not change when you are going to move from one system to another system. Then how to solve these cases? To solve these cases, you have to represent the given measurement in scientific notation. In scientific notation represent you have done in 7th or 8th class maths also. So in scientific notation we represent a measurement in the form of A multiplied by 10 raised to power B, where A will be our base number, and this number, if it is a number we are going to have between 1 and 10, this base number will be between 1 and 10 if it is represented in scientific notation. And your B can be positive as well as B can be negative, and decimal point will be written after first digit. This is given. If you want to represent in scientific notation, this was our first measurement 4.700 meter, and when you will convert it into centimeter, you will write 4.700 into 10 raised to power 2 centimeter. If you want to convert it into millimeter, you will multiply it by 1000. It will become 4.700 into 10 raised to power 3 millimeter. If you want to convert it into kilometer, you will divide it by 1000. So it will become 4.700 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kilometer. This base number, this base number, this base number, we are not going to change decimal place here because it is representing the precision of the measurement. And when we will see the number of significant digits in these measurements, then this part and this part, nothing to do for their contribution for number of significant figures. So power of 10 is not relevant to the determination of significant figures, not playing any role. All zeros in the base number in the scientific notation are significant. These are important. These zeros are significant. These zeros are significant. These zeros are significant. So when you will represent the measurement in scientific notation, in any system you measure, the number of significant figures will remain same. Here also 4, here also 4, here also 4, here also it will remain 4. And last, what I have to consider, last rule for determining number of significant figure, if you are going to have exact number, then exact number is going to have infinite number of significant digits. For example, you are going to have radius is half of diameter, or circumference of a circle is going to be 2 pi r. Then this 2, this 2, it is exact number. Then these numbers you can write as per your requirement, 2.0, 2.00, 2.00, means as many 0 you need you can write. So it is not fixed how many significant figure it will have. Here it is going to have 2, here it is going to have 3, here it is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these type of numbers 2, 3, 4, they are going to have infinite number of significant digits. So you do practice of more and more numericals based on significant figures, so that topic will be clear to you.